know that they are like our favorite faux brand here at QVC and an extension of Bethlehem Lights as well. This is just simply the non-lit aspect of the business.
Correct.
What we have next, I think, I've seen a lot of items from Wicker Park from years past. This truly is one of my favorites because I love the magnolia. I immediately think of the South. Like, I love magnolia trees. The flowers on this are so big. It looks so real, but of course, that's what we would expect from Wicker Park. And it really just helps, like, if you've got kind of an empty corner on the inside, it helps to bring it to life, but also, you can put this outside too and really make anything outside shine.
Yes.
We have one color that remains. I know you saw a few in the video. Only the pink is what is left at this point right now. It's on a clearance price of $114.99, and you can bring it home on an easy payment of $38.33. No reorder on this. It's 6 foot high, and it can be used indoor and outdoor, right, Melissa?
It can be. And Justin, we started doing at Wicker Park probably trees maybe 2 years ago. And they are spectacular. This is it's large, it's 6 foot tall. So it does take up that space. And because we are bringing our outdoors in, and if you open any home magazine, you're seeing green inside the home now because it's just beautiful inside the home. It gives you that nature feeling. I have this on my like in my sunroom. As soon as I took the Christmas tree off the sun porch, this went out there because it does take up a lot of space, or height-wise, but it doesn't take up a lot of space. You know, width-wise, it's great for a corner. But look at these branches on here. The tree trunks are absolutely spectacular. Look so realistic. You even have the different stages of growth on the tree trunk itself. It comes in the grower's pot, which we love because it's weighted, and that's about 10 pounds all in the tree, so it's not gonna move. But the grower's pot does have a drainage hole, so if you did wanna plant this outside, you could do that as well.
So you can bury that and have this like in your front yard.
You can bury it, you can leave it just as it is, or I like doing this, take your pot, put this in there, and then you can put some faux moss, or you can put some creeping jennies, and now you have this gorgeous tree inside your home, and it is beautiful. There's 16 magnolias on here. All different stages of growth, and they're that real touch, and some of them you can even position. They have a little bit of wiring in there, so you can open them up if you want to, but you can see here, this one's a little bit closed. So we do have those different stages of growth, but look at all the petals.
That's the intention, right?
Yes.
Because if you were to see this in a real tree, they wouldn't all be open.
Right.
You would have buds that are coming in soon.
You've got so many different stages here.
You would have different small ones. So part of the Wicker Park difference is the fact that we've made this so that it really replicates a real tree. I feel like the goal, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like the goal from the team at Wicker Park is they like hearing the compliments from you say, my neighbors walked by and they couldn't believe that that was a fake tree. That's what they set out to accomplish. And it's the reason why Bethlehem Lights has been here for 3 decades. It's the reason why what is their sister company, really, Wicker Park, which is the non-lit spring outdoor versions of their products, why that has been
anniversary,
5 years now.
5 years now. And it is. It's so true what you said. I tell the story on a lot about my dad. He was one of the first people to ever come to QVC and sell a product. And he loves QVC, and he loves bringing innovative product. And when he talks about game changers, this is game changing in faux florals, because a game changer is something that takes something that we've done before but really reinvents it. And we've done that with faux florals, because now they're treated to withstand the elements. So you could really never put faux plants outside and have them in the full sun without them really fading. These have been treated to withstand the elements. So if you want to put this on your back deck, you can. And then you want to bring it in for the winter, you can. Or you can leave it out.
You saying that like sparked a memory to me of I would go over to like my grandma's house, and she would have little red roses that were out front. And I remember when I was little, like in the springtime after the winter, she would leave them out. It was, you could like rip it. I think I would literally sit there as a kid and just be like, rip the thread over, and she probably wanted to kill me. However, I've had Wicker Park for years. I've been at QVC for a while now. I've had Wicker Park for years. I've never experienced that with this. The quality of this is unlike anything else that you're gonna see in a faux flower. Normally it would be $140, and today it's $114.99. If you've never tried Wicker Park before, this is a really great one to get started with.
Yep.
Take advantage of our 30-day returns. And oh, by the way, if you open up a Q card today, you do get $50 as an instant account credit. So that would even bring the price down here to $64 if you used your Q card and you got that $50.
And this is something you put out like as soon as you get
You're
it home.
going to be so excited when that box is delivered to your door. I mean, look at the way in this video how this was made, showing you all the different ways, inside, outside. And you know what I'm noticing, Melissa? It pairs so well with others, flowers.
It does. It looks so great with other flowers. And again, I know that everyone watching is probably an avid gardener, loves to garden, but this is great because you can mix it with all of your other flowers. I cannot plant anything in my backyard, and that's why I say I'm not a great gardener, because I have so many deer. So I cannot plant in the yard. I have so many deer, and I have yet to find anything. I had someone put in deer-resistant greenery, you know, a long time ago, and that's good, but everything stays on my deck. And so I love potted things I can put in pots and urns that really spruce up my deck. This you can do that with. And then just want to show you, it's going to come to you. We wanted to help with the shipping, so it does come. You're going to put these on when you get them home. So there'll be 5 of the branches.
Okay.
And you're just going to put them right into the tree trunks like this. And then you have your tree. But if you didn't see Justin and I a little bit earlier, what you can do with this when you maybe want to put this away, or if you want to take one of these branches off. If you went to a craft store, Justin, I don't know, I love buying branches. Look how beautiful this one branch is. Look how many florals are on here. Look at, you know, the depth of the leaves. You can put this in an urn if you want to. Put this right in a vase, put it in somebody's room, put it in a guest room, put it in your master bedroom.
It would be great.
Beautiful.
And even like splitting it, I just want to show, I turn this around, the branch that's missing it, you don't even notice.
That fall.
So if you had this, let's think of an entryway. I've seen a lot of entryways, you know, that have that little platform with like windows on it. They're very tall. Maybe this is on the base of the stairs, and then up top in a vase, that's in the center.
Yep.
And now you've just done 2 different looks all in one on a clearance price of $114.
Amazing.
It just keeps getting better, but you do want to hurry up to pick up this today because there was a white option. That's already gone. And the reason why this is down on a clearance price, it's not because people didn't like it, people loved it. We simply just don't have a lot of inventory to go around. So we put it on, oh wow, okay, well there's the update, 250 that are left.
Okay.
That's it. And keep in mind, we're nationwide. We're across the entire country. So I know 250 to you may sound like that's a lot. Do you know how many of those spinners we sold already in this show? Almost 400. So that should give in perspective that we do sell mass quantities, especially when they're on clearance prices like this. So do not wait to bring it home. $38.33 is all it's going to cost on an easy payment plan in order to bring that in. Now, this is going to work so well with your Wicker Park Bougainvillea faux spheres as well. These faux spheres